Now live at 5, a Western New York company that makes products for astronauts to survive in space and more is now spreading its wings.
Channel 2's Ron Plants was there for a plant groundbreaking for Eaton Incorporated in Orchard Park.
Just as the construction crews were busy outside with an $18.5 million, 50,000 square foot factory expansion, employees of the Eaton Incorporated Mission Systems plant were busy inside with their sophisticated manufacturing processes, turning out various gas control valves and devices for the aerospace and defense industries. The heritage of the firm in this display case, going back to the early days of the NASA space program, and survival equipment, including this oxygen regulator device, actually used by astronaut John Glenn on his 1962 first orbital mission. That's the breathing system, correct, for the astronaut?
That's correct.
All right.
So that regulates pressure from 3,400 psi all the way down to 3.4 psi, just so you can breathe within that spacesuit. So if you think of a car tire, that's 32 psi. 3,400 psi is quite a bit to manage here, especially oxygen.
All U.S. astronaut spacesuits, including those to be worn on the planned Artemis mission to the moon, have the same Eaton-produced breathing equipment. And now for jet fighter pilots.
I'm making sure that they have clean oxygen at very high altitudes as well, and supporting parachutist oxygen, jumping at altitudes of up to 3,500 feet.
Eaton, based in Ireland and Cleveland, took over this plant 5 years ago when it acquired the Carleton Technologies company from Cobham, and it now supplies equipment to various big-name contractors, including gas propulsion technology for various weapon systems. It's a global success story with these local roots, like our tour guide, originally from East Aurora.
I actually got my hands in the building as a technician, manufacturing technician, working on the product itself. I then worked my way to engineering, to operations manager, and now I'm a business manager.
They want more just like him.
There's technicians on the floor to help assemble and test and work with some of those programs, all the way up to salaried positions like engineering, quality engineers, mechanical engineering, and then even support staff on when we think about sales and supply chain. I mean, we're growing across the board.
By the way, remember the miracle on the Hudson in 2009 when passengers survived that plane landing on the river in New York City? Eaton makes those gas-powered activation devices for the floating passenger emergency evacuation slides that came out of the plane there. On your side, Ron Plants, Channel 2 News.